In a lab buzzing with excitement, Dr. Watts announced, "I've done it! I've created a solar panel that works at night." His assistant, Lucy, raised an eyebrow. "How?" Dr. Watts grinned, "It runs on moonlight." The team celebrated, envisioning a world powered by lunar energy. Investors flocked, eager to fund the revolutionary tech. But during the first test, the panel failed. Lucy asked, "What happened?" Dr. Watts shrugged. "Turns out, moonlight's just reflected sunlight. Who knew?" Everyone laughed, realizing they'd been chasing shadows. Remember, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.